Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be taking you through my C++ project, which is basically a pharmacy management system project. It's a pharmacy is a shop that sells medicine, off-the-counter medicine, mostly unprescribed. Which of which some are prescribed, but that I'll do in another video. Today I'll just do basic normal painkillers and these simple medicines that don't need prescriptions. Yeah, so that my code will be simple and easy to write and use by anyone. So the other thing is that my code is made for the customer, so the customer is the one who's operating it. So he's the one who's making the order, taking his own order, of course, because he's the one who knows what he or she wants. And yeah, for me also it's easier for me to write something for the customer than for the seller. So now I'll just give you a scheme of how my code looks like. And yeah, from the libraries I use the namespace, standard namespace, and here are the classes I used. And then also I've used a couple of if else statements, do statements, and switch statements. I've used loops, direct links. Yeah, all of this are just to make this code able to run, to be efficient and to work for our purpose. So now I'll just run the code, and so that'll bring me to my console. I'll give it a minute, and yeah, so I've named it Oki's Mini Pharmacy because yeah, my second name, we'll just know it as we go on. Okay, so healthcare for all of you. Yeah, so I have six. When the console opens, it has 6 choices in the main menu, which are take medicine order, and we'll just take it by the order. And so as the customer comes to this main menu, the first thing is just to take his or her order. And in my system I only have 10 drugs because I didn't want to do a lot. So yeah, because it's a lot of work too. So these are just local drugs that are found in local shops and everything. So I'll just take 2 orders to show you how it works and how to go about everything from the first to the 6th choice of the main menu. So when you take the first choice, it will take you here and then tell you to type the order number. Order number is basically the order of the day. Like when you can have 30 orders a day, this is my first order of the day, and I'm the first customer, so I'll just put my name, and my name is Okal. Because my pharmacy is called Oki's Pharmacy, that's my short form. Date, I want to put a lot of stars, so I'll just put the year, that's 2022. Then so how many medicine would you like to order? That's like the type of medicine. And like I said, I just only have 10 medicine, so that's from that 10 is where you can choose the medicine you want. And so here I'll take maybe 3 types of medicine, just 2 types, to show you how it works. So when 2 types, it will tell you to enter your selection, and this is the first selection. And if I come here, I'll choose choice number 5, that's Panadol. Most of you know it. So Panadol, how many of this Panadol do I want? That's what it's asking, and Panadol is 10 shillings. So let's just say I want 5 for now and maybe for the future. And so 5 times 10 shillings each, that's 50 shillings. Okay, so that's my first selections. And I remember I took 2 selections, like 2 medicines that I want. So the first is medicine. The second I'll take antibiotic, that's number 4. And antibiotics are 100 shillings. So if I take 2, that's 200 shillings. So that's my order list, and that's what I've decided to order. After I press enter, the order is taken successfully. Then it will tell me to go to the receipt menu to pay the bill and finish my buying. So before we do that, I'll just add one more order. So order number, that's the second order of the day, and I'll put my first name. So my first name is Ezekiel. So that's the second customer. Date, like I said, I just put the year because I don't want to put a lot of stuff. I want my video to be short, but you can put the whole date. So here, how many medicine do I want? The first one I'd already showed you how it works. I'll just take one here, one medicine, and that medicine which I want right now, let me take probiotics. That's option number one, probiotics. Then how many of these probiotics do I want? I want maybe 3. That's 150 shillings, and my order is taken, and cool. So if these two customers, Okal and Ezekiel, want to, like, let's say Ezekiel made an error, and he wants to change his order. So I'll skip delete for now and go to modify. Then if Ezekiel, that's our customer number 2, has made an error, I'll just come here, modify, then enter receipt number, that's the number of the order. So here's the second one, then change the order. So order number, if it was 2, let's say maybe some other person came, and maybe there was another person before him, so I'll just put order number 3. Okay, then customer name, I'll change it from Ezekiel to maybe something like Libra. Yeah, so date, I'll put 2022. And then maybe he wanted some other medicine, one medicine but some other medicine. So maybe I take Tumbosid, that's number 10. So at number 10, that's Tumbosid. And how many of this do I want? Maybe for now, for my stomachache, and maybe for later. So that's like 2, 1 is 30 shillings, so 2 is 60. And then it keep continue, that's modified. So our order number 3, okay, our order number 2 has been modified to order number 3. And then, so that's that. And then, let's say Okal made an error. Yeah, he made an error, and he didn't want to buy. Yeah, he didn't want to buy. So let's just, so what will we do? We'll just delete his order. So I'll just press 2 because that's the option for delete. Then I want to delete my order number 1, and that's Ezekiel. So when I delete, it's deleted successfully. So now I just want to show you, because I had already taken the orders are saved in my system, and now that I've deleted order number 1, there's only order number 3 because I did modified order number 2 to order number 3. So if I come to print, I want to show you if order number 1 still exists. So that's when I enter 4, I deleted order number 1, but I want to show you if it's still there. And when I press enter, there's no order there. So now I want to finalize my order number 3 for Libra, our new customer. And so when I finalize it, enter receipt number, that's number 3. And yeah, Libra bought Tumbosid, 2 Tumbosid, that's 60 shillings. And so the customer is asked how much are you paying, and that's 60 shillings. And when I enter, the payment is done, and yeah, thank you. And so let's say the whole day there's been some orders going, and then at the end of the day, after they've finished, I think the owner will want to know how many of these things, of this medicine you sold. So if he comes and check the daily summary of the total sale, he'll only find it's Libra, because I had already deleted the other one, so it won't be here. But if I hadn't deleted it, it would have been here, and it would have shown that Okal bought I bought some Panadol, and I don't remember the other one, but yeah, it would have shown here. So if it would have been there, maybe it was 100. If that, then the total bill would have been 160. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. And then I'm done with my video, and thank you for watching. And so if I want to exit this system, maybe at the end of the day, we'll just take option number 6, and yeah, we'll exit. And thank you for watching my video, and I really hope you liked it. If you feel like you'd need some help in coding, you can just approach me in the comment section. And yeah, thank you, and bye.